Hi traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders weekly forecast. We'd like to welcome all of you who are watching this video, and please also do watch up until the end. So we're having a few pairs that we're going to analyze it for you guys. Okay, it's better sometimes to have few pairs so that you can get focused to those pairs and not lose trades. Okay, because many traders do lose trades because of they have many trades, many pairs to their watch list. Okay, but if you do have one or two that you're going to focus on, then it's better for you not to lose trades when they give you setups. Okay, so it's what we advise you guys. Hope you're going to stick with us up until the end of this video. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our family and join us so that you can get these videos. Okay, and also to share and like and comment below, guys. Okay, your support will be highly appreciated, guys. Okay, we're going to look at gold spot. Okay, XAU USD. Going to start on a bigger time frame and see what we are expecting on gold. Okay, right, on gold, if you remember from here 2018, guys. Okay, the market was pushing up, give us a pullback, up, pullback, up, pullback, then another up there. Okay, so that up move, guys, if you check very well, we are still in a corrective phrase. Okay, so in that corrective phrase, guys, what you need to watch is it's our A move here. This is our 1, 2, 3 A known pattern to us for us to continue downside. Okay, so now what we are going to analyze or forecast here for a longer term, if we're going to expose this price is what we are expecting at the current state, then we'll be expecting another pullback there, then a down move to come and expose that price. Okay, that trend line, that sloping uptrend. Okay, so now we know that we are still biased to downside a little bit to expose 1611. Okay, that is our big target on gold. Okay, guys, so if we go to a daily time frame, now we know our direction, right? If you remember, guys, we're still biased to downside on gold. Okay, you can check here, we've got an impulse here, a 1, 2, 3 structure, a 1, 2, 3 structure inside the pattern. Okay, then we completed the 1, 2, 3 that we have here. That will be our running flag. Okay, then a continuation wave that we were waiting for. Okay, so now what we'll be expecting now, because we got our sell setups there, we got our sell setups again, we got another sell setup here. Okay, so we are in a down move trend on gold. So now we need to go to a lower time frame. We'll go to lower time frame, expect a corrective structure there, then a continuation to expose this flow. Okay, we're expecting 1611 to be exposed on gold. Let's go and try to go to our lower time frame for our time frame, guys. Okay, right, and for our time frame, what we were trading on our last publish, we said look for a pullback there, then we'll be looking for that buy. Okay, so another option we gave you, we said look for a corrective structure around this, then for us to take the drop. Okay, hope you watch very well that video and follow our instruction very well. Okay, so here we took our buys, guys. Okay, then we got a break-even trade, then we took another buy, we got a break-even trade again, then we took another buy, but this one we got a profit, guys, okay, because we're expecting the price to expose 1684. Okay, then from that 1684 on lower time frame, we needed a impulse and a correction there. Okay, guys, we needed a impulse and a correction. That was our impulse, that was our correction, okay, for you to take the trade on a breakout. Okay, so we are still in this drop, guys. Okay, so do manage your trade well if you are still in that drop. If not in this drop, we'll be expecting the coming week the market to give us a corrective structure here, guys. Okay, give us a corrective structure to continue to go downside on gold. So do trade with care, guys. On gold, we'll be expecting the price to continue downside. Okay, so hope you're going to trade well on gold, guys. Let's go to our next pair. That will be NAS 100. Right, on NAS 100, let's go to a bigger time frame. Right, on bigger time frame, it's similar to gold, guys. Okay, why we say it's similar to gold, we'll be expecting a smaller pullback there on bigger time frame, then a big drop that will expose our slope, a trend line slope, this trend line. Okay, then we'll be going upside on NASDAQ. Okay, so on lower time frame, you'll be expecting a continuation of pullback to come and expose this zone. Okay, if we're going to get the coming weeks the breakout there, we're going to get a pullback again, then a drop on NAS 100. So do trade with care, guys. Now we're going to a lower time frame. Let's go to daily first. On daily, what we'll be expecting on daily, guys. If you remember, we're still biased to downside on NASDAQ. Okay, after we got a breakout from this uptrend, we got a smaller down move there, then we got a pullback. Okay, that pullback to come and expose that supply. Okay, we got a supply being exposed, then a drop that we expected happened there. Okay, so on lower time frame, there were sell setups that we got from here and even here, guys. Okay, so this was our TP the past week. Okay, we took our profit on NASDAQ because we're expecting now a pullback on NASDAQ. Why we're expecting a pullback, guys? Let me show you something. We're expecting a pullback after, if you took the buy here, guys, to expose that roof, this was 1, 2, 3 trades. Okay, then for us to take the sell again, then the market pushed up to come and test again this zone. Okay, then we took our sells again with our setup for us to go down. Even here we got our sell setup around that zone. Okay, so now why we took our TP there, let me show you. There was a demand there, guys. Okay, there was a big demand on NASDAQ on H4. This is a demand that I'm talking about, guys. Okay, this is a demand that I'm talking about that we saw for us to take our TPs around this demand. Okay, because the market will pull back again, then continue downside on NASDAQ. Okay, so on lower time frame, what you need to do, such as 1 hour or 15 minutes, guys, you'll be expecting the price to give you a nice setup there. Okay, if you can check, we got a pullback, aggressive pullback there, guys. Okay, that pullback I will show you, we'll be expecting a smaller correction for us to take the buy to come and expose that zone. We're expecting to expose 11,448 or 536. Okay, so from there we'll be expecting for our sell setup to continue downside. Okay, so when the market opens, we'll be watching closely how the market is going to give you a buy setup, guys. Okay, that buy setup, we're having a smaller demand on 1 hour. Okay, this demand we'll be expecting it to be respected. Okay, the price can push higher again, then come back with a correction or a pullback, then give us a buying setup around that zone. Okay, 11 to 80. Then we'll be expecting the price to expose 11,448 or 11,536. So from there, we'll be expecting our sell setups, impulse correction, then continue downside, guys. Okay, if you are more aggressively, you can look for your setups there for you to take the down move. Okay, so do trade with care on NASDAQ, guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our family, guys, to support this channel. Okay, right, we go into our next pair. That will be $ZAR. Right, on $ZAR, what you're expecting on $ZAR, guys? We are still in uptrend on $ZAR. We're having this impulse 1, 2, 3 and expanding pattern. Okay, then we're having a continuation pattern that continues to upside. Okay, then inside that up wave, we're having impulse 1, 2, 3, a running flag pattern that completes a 5-wave structure. Okay, so for us to predict the market now, we are having this supply there. Okay, we'll be expecting the market to push down again on $ZAR, to push down, then give us a up move again to expose around 1950. Okay, we're expecting this price to be exposed, guys. Okay, so but now on lower time frame, you need to, let's go to 4 hours straight, guys. On lower time frame, we'll be expecting a sell setup now. Okay, expect a sell setup. This can give you a smaller correction, push up again to expose 1810. Then we can get a pullback, aggressive move down, then a corrective structure, then we can push down again. Okay, because we're expecting this to pull back, then a up move again. Okay, this can tend to be a corrective structure for you guys. Okay, a corrective structure will give you a continuation pattern to upside. So we'll be short sales, we'll be looking for our short sales on $ZAR first before this big up move. Okay, so we'll be watching closely how the market is going to behave on $ZAR. Okay, then let's go to a lower time frame and see what the market is doing there. Okay, right, on $ZAR 1 hour time frame, we'll be expecting a down move here, then a up move again. Okay, to give us a new high there, then a down, a bigger correction for you to look for our drop there. Okay, but firstly, you can watch closely how the market is going to behave around 1780 or 1770. Then you'll be looking for your buy setups again. Okay, then let's go to our last pair. That will be Euro AUD. Right, on Euro AUD, let's go to a bigger time frame. Our bigger time frame, guys, on Euro AUD, it's quite interesting on Euro AUD, guys. Okay, now we got the price respected again after March touches there. Okay, when the price did take again around that price, then give us a buying opportunities there. Okay, so we were still biased to upside on Euro AUD. Okay, right, on EA we are having this down move, guys, that we have to look for. Okay, then we'll be looking for our demands there. This was our demands that play out very well. Okay, so now we are in this demand that we got a first touch there. We got a first touch here. We got the second touch there. We're expecting this third touch to play out very well to come and expose 1.5300. Okay, I'm expecting that price to be exposed very well. Okay, so on lower time frame, we'll show you we are in a corrective phase. Okay, then we'll be looking for this up move to play out very well, guys. Okay, let's go to our daily time frame and see what we are seeing there. Okay, right, at the current state, the euro AUD is still holding up here, guys. Okay, on this demand, this bigger demand that we showed you on bigger time frame. Okay, we are still having a price struggling to break through again. Okay, because if you get the price to get through down and below, then we'll be expecting a 1, 2, 3 to fill up this demand. Okay, that demand, then we'll be having our up move there. But for now, we'll be watching closely how the market is behaving around this demand. Okay, and on lower time frame, let's go to 4-hour and see if we are getting those buy setups, guys. Okay, right, on EA, what you'll be looking for, guys, will be expecting the price to respect this price. Okay, this trend line. So if this price tends to give a corrective structure here, then a break there, I'll wait for this break to be aggressive first, then wait for this corrective structure to happen, come and take this trend line, this zone. Okay, then be expecting a down move that we showed you on daily time frame, demand that we might expose. Okay, so do watch closely if you're going to get a corrective structure here to stay around this, then for you to take a breakout trade there. Okay, or you can wait, guys, you can wait for the aggressive move, okay, to break these zones, then expect a corrective structure for you to go upside. That will be your confirmation, guys. Okay, because at the current state, there's no clear picture that we are holding here, or for us to upside, or we're going to get a break, a retest, then a down move here again. So I'll advise for you guys to wait for the aggressive move there for you to expect a pullback again on euro AUD, or expect a aggressive move, pullback, then an up move again. Okay, so do trade with care on euro AUD, guys. Okay, let's go to a 1 hour time frame and check there, guys, if we are getting any. Okay, right, on 1 hour time frame, we're having this aggressive move. This is our 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll be expecting we can get a break. We can take your limit, a buy limit below above 14860. Okay, for the price to rise there. Okay, because there's a demand that we are seeing there for you to take the buy. You can take the buy here and not risk your portfolio, then take and watch closely. If it's going to break 148.60, then you can put your trade into break even and see the trade to unfold. Okay, but if this is going to stay much longer there, then this will be your impulse, then this will be your corrective structure for you to break down again. Okay, but this breakdown, it will still be in a structure there. Okay, unless we get another corrective structure for us to go down. Okay, guys, so do trade with care, guys, and do trade well. Hope you're going to subscribe and support this channel, guys. See you next time, guys. Thank you, guys.